Hello everyone, welcome. Today, we're diving into a core concept of web communication, transfer encoding chunked. It might sound complex, but it's simply a way to send data over HTTP when the total size isn't known in advance. This is super useful for dynamic content. Let's unravel this and see how it works. First, we'll understand why chunked encoding is needed. Imagine a server generating a web page on the fly. It doesn't know the complete size of the HTML until it's finished processing all the data. Without chunked encoding, the server would have to buffer the entire response before sending it. This is inefficient. Chunked encoding allows the server to send the data in smaller, manageable pieces called chunks. Each chunk contains the size of the data in hexadecimal format, followed by the actual data, and a carriage return line feed, CRLF, which is \r \n. Think of it as packaging the data into smaller boxes, labeling each box with its size, and sending them one by one. After the last chunk, a zero-sized chunk is sent. This indicates the end of the transmission. Following the last chunk is a series of optional trailing headers and a final CRLF. Now, let's look at a practical example. Suppose a server is streaming a video. It can't know the exact size of the video beforehand. With chunked encoding, it can send video data in chunks as it becomes available. Each chunk includes the size of that specific piece of video data. This allows the client to start playing the video without waiting for the entire file to download. Similarly, APIs that stream responses often use chunked encoding. This allows the API to begin responding with data immediately, improving perceived performance and reducing latency. Chunked encoding significantly enhances the efficiency of HTTP communication. It allows servers to send dynamically generated or streamed data without knowing the complete size in advance. This is crucial for modern web applications. Web servers and browsers handle the complexities of chunked encoding behind the scenes. This means developers don't usually need to manually implement the encoding or decoding process. However, understanding the underlying mechanism can be incredibly helpful for debugging and optimizing web performance. For example, if you're seeing slow loading times, understanding chunked encoding can help you identify potential bottlenecks in your server-side code. Also remember that correctly terminating the chunk transfer with the zero-size chunk is crucial, otherwise, the client will keep waiting for more data and the connection will stall. Understanding chunked transfer encoding is a valuable skill for any web developer. It is used extensively in real-world applications. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing for more web development content. Your support helps me create more content like this. Feel free to leave any questions or suggestions in the comments below.